But them know about that. But them know about that. Well, on there. When you say you hear the instrumental already, the instrumental I say, oh, bad people think this, you know. Boy, dead and now, you know. Already, red tune.
Them not ready for this, you know. Them not ready for the war.
You want the man say? Well on. The man say them not ready for the one buckly war, people. Oh, Trinidad, them for no say we Trini Bambaku belt bad. Now right now people, you know the reaction boss already in Trinidad. You know the reaction boss already, you know. But right now at the ClashHypeMan, you know. At the ClashHypeMan, in fact, you say for never know the ClashHypeMan, you see when lyrical war go on in the music, in a dance hall, especially in a Jamaica. But me I start in Trinidad now, you know. Right now the Clash are going from almost last year, we don't care. Right now them say that song you did on this track to Rebel 6. Alright now, if I sang trash, me I hype it up. If I sang hype, me still I hype it up. If it medium, me I hype it up. Them call me the ClashHypeMan, because I hype up the song them in a clash. And you see that song right now, that song named Marrow go fly. And the body song in the world is. That song from Prince Swanny. You see me, I say, them says a Rebel 6 this. People, let the video some more people and get to see the reaction boss. Let the video some more people can see the ClashHypeMan. You understand me? I say, people, comment on this video here, comment on the next video that I post. I will post every single day. 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. This is the third video of the day. Yes. We post every day over here, so we don't ramp over here, so the most lit reaction channel on YouTube right now. You understand me? The only channel need to subscribe to our YouTube for the summer. 10,000 is real, 100k we are go for next. 100k we are go for right. Yo, run tune. But them know about that. Well, on there. When you say you hear the instrumental already, the instrumental I say, oh, bad people think this, you know. Boy, dead and now, you know. Already, run tune.
Them not ready for this, you know. Them not ready for the war.
You want the man say? Well on. The man say them not ready for the one buckly war, people. Them not ready for the war. Go on. Oh, you see, he talks them outside, you know. Run tune.
Them pussy have to die.
Hear that? No, you hear that? No, you hear? One buckly, them dead. You know see that? Them dead, you know. Once you have the gun, the video done, you know. Once you have the gun, the video done, you know. Rebel 6, what you gonna do when... Watch out, march out for them.
Last time we check, some of them know about them only depend on another man blood
clash. Dog. Rebel 6, you know what I say? The man say last time you check, dog, you know bad. The last time you check, you depend on some boy. Dog, what is somebody gonna say about that? Go on.
Big up Z-Tech, real top dogs, they are one thing we show about with no big friend.
You hear that? The man big up him clad, the man big up him squad. The man say, be a bad people in them squad. You must say no big friend. Dog, well on there. Run through. Yo, like the video. Like the one buckle video for the subscribe teacher. Run through.
On the damn hills, dog. None of them no rustic, we are drill them.
Only hear that? People that say you wipe out some boy face right now in a dog. Some man if reply like right now in a dog. Because the ClashHypeMan outside in a dog. Run through the Prince Swanny.
If you want no badness, check cassava piece, Georgie, you fi teach them.
When you hear that? Yo, anywhere in the world where cassava piece located, a bad people place. Right now, Jamaica me come from, I say cassava piece, a bad people place. I mean, so one cassava piece, they have a bumper clutch in that. I mean, say a bad people place. People, you see anywhere him go, bad, look on the youth. You see how you tell them call Prince Swanny with the bag of chain on him neck. A girl thief, you know, and a bad man that sag to, you know. Run tune.
To the little singer, dog, you know no killer. Get a little life and feel you a stinger.
Oh no! Him just wipe out the face a while ago for your dog. Rebel 6 man say so. The man say more than a killer dog. The man say get a little hype dog. A little hype on your face like you're a killer dog. Go on!
Be my dog where you a figure. No so laugh it like it a name cigar.
Yeah!
Step like gorilla.
Yes, clan. No man! The man that already know in a dog. And everything but inside I get dismantled in a dog. Everything inside I get mash up. Everything inside I get crab up. What them know about Prince Swanny? What them know about you? Run June.
If I was spin like one big popular. If you want no more about badness, dog, don't in the bees that.
You hear that? Dog, you don't want no more about badness? You don't want no more about badness, people? Like the video, you know, hold it more about badness. Because we are so lit no bumbo click. We don't ramp over here, so dog. I tell you, at the reaction boss over here, so no people. Don't ramp with me, you know. Don't ramp with me, you know. Watch me, I sweat, because I work. We are work, we are sweat. Work, we are work and a chicken. Run tune.
The headquarters, you want this lash up, head up, mash up. Fuck on my team, dog, we no take bad up.
You hear that? Wanna hear that? The man same thing don't take bad up in our people. Wanna know about that? People look on the merger. It'll drop at 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, but they think carry them, I don't even know. But when you drop, I touch ya. Run tune!
Draco a puff out the face like Carlos. When he circle lanes, everything I get fried.
I walk one. I never made the video no dog. I see ya. I never made the video no because the ClashHypeMan is in full effect. Look how me I sweat. I need to get some AC in the system, dog. Look how me I sweat. Dog, all the girls supposed to love off yard man already, dog. I had a Trinidad girlfriend dog because reaction boss might just steal her. Watch it. 940. Run tune!
Be mad. Mount a rifle, my papa.
Blood clean. I walk one. My boy see my boy roll out a rifle and stamp out him face a while ago. If you bust out him skull a while ago, dog, and get coward. How that a go on? And that really a go on? Run tune!
No say I miss a Trinidad.
Where you run go?
Them evil one no pay.
You dead? You get catch that shop. Every corner you go to the man them wait for you, dog. You can't run go nowhere. That the man I show you in that video and say, yo, no care which corner you go in at the bumbo clad Trinidad in the dog. You can't hide. Because the man them wait for you. People don't take me serious. I hope the song. Nothing I say I don't mean in this video. It's for entertainment purposes only. I want to go Trinidad and live free when I go Trinidad. I want to. Maybe that's clean. I'm calling direct to the video. Right, Sean?
The money depend on another man blood clash string.
No, you see them handshakes up there. You see them look at handshake when you say one man will let another go with the another bag of one buckler thing. Me nah do nothing there, you know. Me go do them because something here. Me go do them because things here. Me nah do them bag of something here, dog. Some man love back them fists in the dog before they come and roll in the dog. Some man no wash their money in the dog. And right now current time, some man do use hand sanitizer. Me take it through we got love. Them man are nasty. I mean now all over roll up no man and so. That nasty. Why? Run tune!
Real top dogs, they are one thing we show about with no big friend.
Death, Jim. Man, them don't big friend, people. One thing about that. People want to know about the song. You see if a song is bad, wants to be a fire emotion in the comment section right now. See if you come from Trinidad, you know chop already, be a Trinidad flag in the comment section. And then when the Caribbean you come from and I watch a video right now, all the Caribbean flag them when you come from in the Caribbean section, in the comment section right now. You see me I say, boom, big up on yourself people and subscribe from the subscribe yet man. Run through.
Dog, none of them no rustic, we a drill them.
Yeah.
If you
When you hear that,
want
hold on, you hear
nobody-
that? Must say them rusty because you might drill it. Bumbo clapping Swanny that will make you so bad. What make you so bad? Why you so blood clean bad? Run tune.
Check us out, but Pijaji, I fi teach them.
Brother like daddy one. Jamaicans watching, they brother like daddy one. You know see if Platimir them down, they look like daddy one. Run tune.
Them pussy have to die on me.
Yeah.
Die on.
You can see the man me business name song too, you know. I have a little teeny piece of script tail left in the dog. And I puff her ass out of a little piece of script tail in because they know say, yo, yeah right. Feel the vibe, I know some me bad and me a bun weed. Yeah. Yeah, go on.
Marrow I go fly. Die
Them pussy have me die wrong, dog. Song done. I'm done with chapter.
big friend.
Big up for the bumbuckly stuff. Thanks for watching the reaction boss video. Please run up on the like button if you don't run up on the like button yet. You understand me? And subscribe if you don't subscribe yet. Yeah man, this is the boy Tata, aka the reaction boss, aka the gal magnet, aka the ClashHypeMan, aka the vlog boss. Yo, you want the aka we have over here, so we just get a third character from me that I don't even know what that. I'm out.